Class 6 IIT Mathematics Quadrilaterals. So, in the previous class, we discussed about the definitions of quadrilaterals, types of quadrilaterals, and all. In this session, let us go for objective type in the quadrilaterals. Right? Let's check. So, what are the points we have discussed in the last class? Let's review once. Here I'm sharing the screen. Check it out. Definition of quadrilateral. Let me zoom it. Yeah. The quadrilateral is a closed figure formed by four line segments such that no two line segments cross each other except at their endpoints. That means what? Suppose two line segments I can take. They have to cross at their endpoint. They should not cross at any other point like this. Okay? So it forms by four line segments. See here, there's a line segment AB1, BC2, CD3, and DA4. Formed by four line segments AB, BC, CD, and DA. Right? So, and then we are having the diagonals which we join to the opposite vertices. What is vertex or vertices? Here A, B, C, D are called vertices. Okay. Then diagonals are line segments joined by opposite vertices. AC and BD. On opposite angles, opposite sides and all we can see here. Adjacent sides, adjacent angles, opposite sides, opposite angles. Just we go through. This already we have finished in the last session. Okay, once please check it out. Adjacent sides, we can call AB, BC adjacent sides, and BC, CD are adjacent side, CDD are adjacent side, DE and AB are adjacent sides. Then adjacent angles also we can take angle A and angle B, angle B and angle C, angle C and angle D, angle D and angle A. Like this it will go. Opposite angles, opposite sides. Right? Next. So perimeter of a quadrilateral. Perimeter in the sense, generally perimeter of a closed figure is nothing but sum of all the sides. There are what are the four sides? AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. So diagonal of a quadrilateral. Here we can say number of diagonals. Number of diagonals for the n-sided polygon. If it is four-sided, 4 into 4 minus 3 by 2, 4 into 1 by 2, you will get 4 by 2 is 2. Suppose it is a five-sided figure, 5 into 5 minus 3 by 2. 5 into 4 by 2. How many diagonals will get? 5 diagonals. Can we check once? Okay. If I draw a closed figure with 5 sides, how many diagonals are coming? So here I'm drawing 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let me name it A, B, C, D, E. So diagonals, right? Let me draw the diagonals. 1, okay, 2, next, 3, 4. Then where is fifth one? Yes, it is the fifth one. You can see a star, like a star in the middle, right? So 5 diagonals. So shall we check it for 6 without going to the formula? Let us check. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So let me write the names. Vertices A, B, C, D, E, F. Here 1, 2, 3. Next 1, 2, 3. Next 1, 2, 3 is over. Okay. How many lines we got? Just check it out from A. From A. So 1, 2, 3. From A, 3. From B, 1, 2, 3. From B also 3. From C, 1, 2, 3 already is there. 2. 6 plus 2, 8. Let's check the formula. 6 minus 3 by 2. 6 into 3 by 2. Here 3 times 3 series are 9. Then where is another one? Just check it out. Ninth one. 6 plus 8 only we got here. 1, 2, 3. And 4 is here. Next. 1, 2, 3. 4 is here. Next. Here 1, 2, and 3. Here. Next. 1. Sorry. Here we missed. FD we missed. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Total 9 we got. From E we don't get. Already is there. From F also we don't get. So like this, we can find number of diagonals when the side of the polygon in the sense this closed figure known. Okay, n in 10 minus 3 by 2. Next, interior point of the quadrilateral, exterior and point of the quadrilateral. Interior in the sense point lies inside. Exterior it will be outside. Point lies on the. It will be exactly on the sides. An angle sum property. Angle sum property in triangle we have 180 degrees. In quadrilateral we have 360 degrees. Okay, there are 4 angles you will get, or else you can say 4 right angles. Quadrilaterals are classified into 2 types. One is the convex. All the angles are less than 180 degrees. All the interior angles less than 180 degrees. All less than 180. But exactly opposite concave. What does concave says? Only one angle is more than 180. One of the interior angle is more than 180 degrees. Is the concave. So triangles, quadrilaterals are classified into 3 types mainly. We have discussed about rectangle, square, and rhombus. We didn't discuss about trapezium and kite. Parallelogram, trapezium, and kite. What is parallelogram? A quadrilateral in which both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. So this and this parallel, and this parallel. Rectangle, a parallelogram in which one angle is 90 degrees. So rectangle is also a parallelogram, but one angle is the 90 degrees. The next parallelogram is square. A rectangle in which all the sides are equal. A rectangle in which. So rectangle is becoming the square when all the sides are equal. Or adjacent sides are equal. Like that we can check. And then rhombus. Rhombus in the sense of parallelogram in which 2 adjacent sides are equal. 2 adjacent sides are equal is called rhombus. Okay. Next. Here you can see some properties. Already we have seen in the last class. Once please you check it. Parallelogram, what kind of properties we have? Rectangle. What are the common properties we have? All sides are congruent, opposite sides are parallel and congruent. All angles are congruent, opposite angles are congruent, diagonals are congruent, diagonals are perpendicular. Diagonals bisect each other, adjacent angles are supplementary. Just go through it. Next. So objective. Objective already we have started it, but let's continue the objective. First we will do some problems. Simple objective already we have done in the previous class. Yeah, let's just see this. Question number 49 to 53. Okay. Can you please try it for some time? I will explain. So square ABCD. This is square, about square, and this is about parallelogram. AB is given and BC also given. Then what is the value of this? And the diagonal AC angle is asked here. And the ratio of 2 angles are given. And then angle A is asked. Adjacent angles of parallelogram are given. Then find other angles. Rectangle on diagonal is given. What is the other diagonal? Just go through it and do it. Right, I'll open the board, then I'll explain this board. Okay. Okay, please check. The question number 49 is like this. So in a square ABCD, in a square ABCD, AB is equal to, this is P, 2x plus 3 centimeters. BC is equal to 3x minus 5 centimeter. And what is the value of x? So draw a square here. And make it as ABCD. So what is the square rule? Yes, all the adjacent sides are equal. These all are equal. Okay, that means the length of the side AB is equal to the length of the side BC. So let me take 2x plus 3 is equal to 3x minus 5. So variables to the left side, numerals to the right side. Transposition. 3x, if it is comes to the left, will it become minus 3x, and plus 3 becomes minus 3. 2x minus 3x. 2 minus 3 can't do. Again, we go for the integers. The big number is 3 minus 1x. Minus 5 minus 3. Two integers. Negative sign. We have to add. We done all this in integers chapter. And x is equal to minus 8 over minus 1. Minus minus cancel. 8 by 1 is equal to 8. Okay, just check it out. Next, 50. The 50 question is given like this. In a square ABCD. This is also square ABCD. The diagonal AC drawn, then what is the angle BAC? So let's take a square here. So let me draw square. Yeah, I will draw the square. So I have drawn a square. Okay. Then what about the diagonal? So I'm naming it is A, B, C, D. 12 vertices. And the diagonal AC is like this. Then what is the angle of BAC? It is BAC, this part. I mark with another color. This angle is how much? If you want to know that angle, you must know the adjacent, sum of adjacent angles. That means, what is this angle first? In a square, all the angles are 90 degrees. Each angle is equal to 90 degrees. Then this AC, the diagonal AC divides the square into two congruent triangles. These two are congruent. In congruent triangles, all the sides and angles are equal. So that this part and this part is same. So 90 we shall make into two parts. What are the two parts? 45 degrees and 45 degrees. So angle BAC is equal to how much? 45 degrees. Please check it. Next, 51. Question 51 says parallelogram. So in a parallelogram, angle A is to angle B is equal to 1 is to 2. Then what is the value of angle A? So let's try to draw the parallelogram. Yes, the parallelogram. Okay. Right. Here, this parallelogram ABCD, angle A and angle B. The ratio between angle A and B is 1 is to 2. So what is the relation between angle A and angle B in a parallelogram? They are adjacent angles. They are adjacent angles. What does adjacent angle says? Yes. Sum of adjacent angles is 180. Sum of adjacent angles in a parallelogram is equal to supplementary or 180. So 1 is to 2. 1 is to 2 in the sense I shall take 1x plus 2x is 180 degrees. 2x is 180 degrees. X is 60 degrees. 180 divided by 3. Okay. Next 60. 1x is equal to 1 into 60 is 60 degrees. 2x is equal to 2 into 60 is equal to 120 degrees. So that angle A is equal to 60, angle B is equal to 120 degrees. Right? Next. Next question. 53. The adjacent angles of parallelogram are x degrees and 2x plus 30. Again, the same problem. Adjacent angles, sum of adjacent angles is equal to 180. Okay. Sum of adjacent angles is supplementary or 180. This to 180 and this to 180, CD 180, DA 180. Let's take angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees. And angle A value is x, and the B value is 2x plus 30. X plus 2x is 3x. 3x is equal to 180 minus 30 is equal to 150. Okay. 3x is equal to 150, x is equal to 150 over 3. We get 50 degrees, right? If x is 50 degrees, what are the angles? Angle A is equal to x is equal to 50. Angle B is equal to 2x plus 30. 2 into 50 plus 30. Equal to 100 plus 30 is equal to 130 degrees. Okay. Asked only 50 degrees here. Find the other angles. Find the other angles in the sense we have 50, 130, 50, 130. Option B. Please check it. Let's do some more essential problems. I will open the screen. Now these sums we have completed. And before is, yeah, you can see here 41 to 46. These sums we can do now. So first, please read these questions for 1 or 2 minutes. Then we'll go for the sums. Okay. Right. Let's continue. First 41. Out of three equal angles of a quadrilateral, each measures 70, the measure of the fourth angle. So there are three equal angles. I will open the board. Then we will do. Use the board. There are three equal angles. Question number 41. The three equal angles are 70. So let us take A, B, C, D. In that A, B, C are equal. A is equal to B is equal to C, which is X, which is 70. So we know that angle sum property in a quadrilateral, angle A plus angle B plus angle D is equal to 360 degrees. That means 70 degrees plus 70 degrees plus 70 degrees plus unknown angle we don't know, 360. 370s are how much? 210. So angle D is equal to 360 minus 210. How much it is? 360 minus 210. 150. Okay. So fourth angle D is equal to 1. One angle is more than, no angle is more than 1 angle. Next, 42nd. 42nd is like this. In a quadrilateral, if two angles are 80 and 120, the rest two angles are equal. So angle A is given 80 degrees. Angle B is given 120 degrees. Angle C and angle D are equal. Consider them as X. So all the four angles sum is 360 degrees. So A is equal to 80, B is equal to 120, C is equal to X, D is also X. 80 plus 120 is 200, plus 2x is equal to 360. 2x is equal to 360 minus 200 is 160. And x is equal to 160 over 2. How much? 80. So the two angles, rest of the two angles are 80, comma 80. Right? And 43. 43, there are four angles are given. Angle A is equal to x. Angle B is equal to x minus 10. Angle C is equal to x plus 30. Angle D is equal to 2x. No, what are the angles? You have to tell the angles. Just be straight. Right? Just add the angles. And the total is shall take 360 degrees. X plus x minus 10. X plus x minus 10 plus x plus 30 plus 2x is equal to 360. How many x's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5x minus 10 plus 30. Minus 10 plus 30 is how much? 30 is a big number. You will get 20. Plus 20 is equal to 360. 5x is equal to 360 minus 20, 340. If 5x is equal to 340, x is equal to 340 divided by 5. Let's do the division of this. 6 5s are 38. No, we'll get 8, 68. X value 68. Now, one by one angle we have to find. The first angle is x degrees, x minus 10 degrees, x plus 30 degrees, and 2x degrees. X degrees, x is 68 degrees, x minus 10. 68 minus 10 is how much? 58 degrees. And 68 plus 30 is 98 degrees. 2 into 68. How much? 136 degrees. Okay. 68, 58, 98, 136. Right? Please check it. So once again, we will check the sums. This last sum. So we have to add the angles, right? We have to add all these angles. We should equal to 360 and trans x to x is 5x. Transpose to x, you will get 340 divided by 5, 68. Then we have to find all the four angles. X 68, x minus 10, 68 minus 10, 58, 68 plus 30, 98, 2 into 68, 136. Okay. Then 40, question number, yes, this one we completed. 44, 45, 46, please do ask the homework. Please try it. We'll discuss in the next class. Okay, now? So that's all for today. Shall continue the same topic in the next class. Right? Thank you.